Write a Java program to find area of circle using a method and accept input from the user. Define the class. Our class name is area. Define the main method. Let us start the execution from the main method because starting point of execution for any core Java program is the main method. The interpreter will start executing from this statement $R. This is the variable declaration. Variable name is R and data type is double. So memory for variable R will be reserved. Next statement is you want to accept input from the user. Just print this statement, enter radius of the circle so that the user will understand what he is supposed to do. This statement will be printed on the output screen. So to accept input from the user, we are going to use scanner class. Scanner class is a predefined class and you need to create an object of scanner class for obtaining the input. To create an object of the scanner class, we usually pass the predefined object system.in, which represents the standard input stream, that is your keyboard. So over here, scanner S is the reference variable pointing towards the object. We are creating object of scanner class, hence we say scanner S. New scanner and parenthesis. This is the syntax for creating an object. New keyword creates an object. To read from the keyboard, we need to pass system.in. System.in is a predefined object and it represents standard input stream. It is used to get input from the user. So when this line is executed, what happens inside the memory? Reference variable S is created on the stack memory area. An actual object of scanner is created in the heap memory area. This is the actual object. Variables and reference variables are always created on the stack memory area and objects are stored on the heap. So this reference S refers to the object that is created on the heap memory area. So S, which is inside the stack area, is now pointing towards the object which is on the heap. So what really gets assigned to reference variable S is not the object, but address of the object gets assigned to the reference variable S. So suppose the address of the object is 110011. This will be stored inside the reference variable S. So S does not contain the actual object, it contains the reference to the object. We are using scanner class to accept the input from the user. This scanner class is predefined class and you need to tell the compiler where is this class present. By using import keyword, we access the scanner class which is inside the util package and util package is inside the Java package. Hence we need to write import java.util.scanner. The next statement we write is R is equal to S.next double. To read the input from certain data type, you are provided with various methods. You need to select method compatible with the data types. In our program, the data type we have used is double. Hence, we are using method next double. Next double method belongs to the scanner class. Hence, we are calling it on scanner object. If your data type is int, the method should be next int. If your data type is float, the method should be next float. So here, next double method reads this value entered by the user. Suppose the user enters value 2.5. We are saying R equal to S.next double. That means whatever value next double method will read will be stored inside variable R. So value 2.5 will be stored inside variable R. Next statement we have created is object of class area. This is our class name. Why do we need this object? We have defined the method to calculate area of circle and the name of the method is area circle. Main is the static method. To call a non-static method inside the static method, we need to call it using an object. Area circle is defined inside the class area. Hence, you need to create an object of class area. What happens when you create an object? Class name is area. Reference variable is A. New keyword will create an object. So the reference variable A is created on the stack memory area and actual object is created on the heap memory area. Suppose the address of object area is 110000. This address will be stored inside reference variable A, which is on stack memory area. So now A will point to the object which resides on the heap. Now look at this statement very carefully. We are calling println method, which is used to print something on the output screen. And inside this println method, there is a method called toAreaCircle method. We say system.out.println. Area of circle will be printed to the output screen. A is the object reference. AreaCircle method belongs to area class. Hence we have created object of class area, that is A, and we are saying A.AreaCircle. So this is a method call to the method AreaCircle. Now if you see the method definition of AreaCircle, the return type of the method is double. This means that it will return a double value and method is accepting a value which is of type double. Here we are actually passing the radius of the circle. And what is the task of AreaCircle? It accepts radius and calculates the area. So inside the method call, you need to pass the argument of type double over here. This is a call to AreaCircle and we are passing a double value inside the method AreaCircle. So inside the method call, you need to pass the argument of type double. Here we are passing value of R. What is R? R is the radius that we are accepting from the user. The variable R has value 2.5. So as soon as the interpreter sees the method call from here, the control of the program will go to the method definition over here. This is your method definition and value of R, that is value 2.5, is passed to this parameter R. So R equal to 2.5. So 2.5 will be stored in this variable R, which belongs to AreaCircle. Now here you need to understand there is separate section where the variables belonging to the main method are stored. So this is a section where variables belonging to the main method are stored. And there is a separate section where variables belonging to AreaCircle method are stored. So this section belongs to the AreaCircle. This R is different and this R is different. This R belongs to the main method and this R belongs to the method AreaCircle. You can take different variable names to avoid confusion. Here you need to understand one thing. Variables defined inside the main method are local to main method and variables defined inside AreaCircle are local to AreaCircle. Variables belong to the main method are not accessible from AreaCircle method and variables belonging to the AreaCircle method are not accessible from the main method. Now the control of the program is inside the AreaCircle. So the code inside this method will start executing. First statement here is variable declaration. Two variables of data type double are defined, pi and area. So memory for variable pi is reserved and value 3.14 is stored inside it. Memory for variable area is reserved, but yet any value is not assigned to it. Next statement is we are calculating the formula area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi multiplied by r multiplied by r. So the value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. So after calculation, the value you get is 19.625. This value is stored inside the variable area over here. Area will have the value 19.625. Which is the calculated area of circle having radius 2.5. Return keyword returns the value from the method to the point from where it is called. we are saying return area. So the value of area is 19.625. So from here, the control of the program will go back over here from where we got the method call. And this method call will have the value 19.625, which is inside the method system.out.println. Hence, it will get printed. So the output will look like this. Here you are asking the user to enter the radius. Suppose the user entered radius is 2.5. The method area circle will calculate the radius and return it back. System.out.println will print this output. Area of circle will be printed to the output screen. It is a string inside double quotation marks, and this method call will have value 19.625, which is the calculated area, and this will be printed to the output screen. So your output looks like this.